MSTI M8 Smart Lock Setup Tutorial. First, we are in the mobile app store. Search and download the app of MSTI Smart. After the download is complete, we open the app. Then use your mobile number to complete the registration and log in. We click to enter the app. Rights management that allows interface pop-ups. We click Add. Click Finish. At this point, the connection with the smart lock has been completed. Connect to Bluetooth and directly open the mobile app. Then the smart lock will be automatically found. Click Add. Then click Finish. At this time, you can control the door lock with your mobile phone. Then we click Member Management. We click Add Fingerprint. Press your finger into the fingerprint recognition area 6 times. Added successfully. At this point, we set a name for the added fingerprint and tick app notification. Click Finish. We click Add Password. Set a 6 to 10-digit password and tick app notification. Click Finish. We click Add Card. Enter the card and stick the card close to the identification area. Added successfully. We can enter a name into the card. Click Finish. We click Add Face. Operate according to the system voice prompt. Added successfully. We can enter a name for Wenlian. Click Finish. Return to the system interface. Give the family a name before adding members. At this point, family members can be named. We cap the screen and click the key to enter the system. Enter the administrator password and press to confirm. Press E to enter the network settings. At this time, the smart lock enters the network and is waiting. We click Add Device. We find and select the video log and click. Select the Wi-Fi network according to the prompts and enter the password. Click Next. At this point, the phone will automatically generate a QR code. Point the generated QR code at the smart lock camera and maintain a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. When you hear a beep, the network is successful. There are 2 ways to restore the factory settings. The first is to use iron wire to insert and lock the small hole for about 5 seconds. The second is to press the key and enter the administrator password to enter the system. Then press Send to enter the factory reset option. Press the pound number to restore the factory settings.